Hi friends, मैं हूँ वीरेंद्र ब्राह्मण. Welcome to my Display Guruji YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about how to observe curd or buttermilk under high power compound microscope.
Take some old cord and clean slide and follow the procedure as shown. Put a drop of curd on clean slide. Add some fresh or distilled water to the curd. Mix water properly and put a cover slip. Now our slide is ready for observation under high power compound microscope. Now we can see the moving microbes in old buttermilk or curd. Similarly, observe the bacteria on fungus. Like, share and subscribe the video. Thanks for watching.